Hello everybody, how are you all? So today I am going to review about two products, that is a illuminating cream. तो मेरे पास दो है. First one, I have this Swiss Beauty Pearl Illuminating Makeup Base. You can see. Let's do a patch test of this. Sorry, I'm messy. Wow, I can't believe it. See what a glow it gives. I was never expecting such a glow. This glow we used to get from the MAC Illuminating Cream, but just have a look. कितनी सही है यार. Now I have the next illuminating cream. This Lakme one, and the name is Lakme Lumi Cream moisturizer with highlighter. It means 2 in 1. Nice. I can see the difference. Wait, let me show you the basic difference which I can see. This one is the Lakme Illuminating Cream, and this one is the Swiss Beauty Illuminating Cream. What difference I saw in both of the cream, that this works like a highlighter. It highlights a lot, or you can use it as a base makeup. और ये वाला जो है, this give a dewy finish. So basically both are go for it. Both are good. So basically both are very good. You can use it as a illuminating cream, but for me this one is more good because of the price. If we compare, this cost really cheaper than this one, this Swiss Beauty one, but it works very naturally. आप इसको naturally भी use कर सकते हैं. But if we talk about this Swiss Beauty, you can use when you will apply the foundation, before that you can apply it. But if we talk about this, या आप कभी भी कहीं पे भी अगर आपको एक dewy finish चाहिए, आपको makeup नहीं करना है but आपको एक glow भी चाहिए, so basically you can go for it. Please try it और आप मुझे thanks करोगे after using this. Seriously, please use it. Bye bye, take care.